Hey, what's up everyone? My name is William Royce. We are going to try to make a Velcro Griptape skateboard today. I've always thought about trying this. I'm very curious to see what it's gonna be like for downhill and what it's gonna be like when we take it to the skate park. See what happens. No! No! It's so grippy. I think I'm just gonna put one strip because I really don't feel like we need more than that.
Oh!
Let's go! Okay. That looks good. Oh, they don't move at all. Oh my god. Oh god! Now we brought the Velcro Griptape board to the skate park. We put some regular trucks on there, some hard wheels, and we're gonna see what it's like. It should be pretty fun. So a couple things we learned with the downhill board before we put on these skate park trucks is your feet will come out of the shoes before they come off the board. You can't foot brake, you can't really do anything, so it's not that functional. It's really good for jumping. Your feet don't move around at all. If I were to do it again, I would think I would try to do it with high tops and really get your feet secure in your shoes so they don't come off. But other than that, it was really fun. Over to the other. First drop in at the skate park. Let's see how this goes. I already know that your feet can't move, so I gotta set them up perfectly. And if you fall, the board is stuck to you. Oh god, slippery. All right. pretty fun. It sticks to your feet. You have to get used to your feet not moving at all. But once you overcome that, it's kind of kind of nice. I'm not sure really what I was going to expect, but it's better than I thought. Oh.